Right, this type of contactor is the contactor that causes the faults or the problems with the S11010 lid. This contactor is only present on the S11010, it is not used on the 1812, either the S1 or the S2 models. Now what actually happens is, the contactor works by moving the contacts horizontally rather than pulling in vertically. And the external block that sits on the top here is the source of the problem, because while the contactor engages, the three mains phases and the neutral, if it's on there, all engage perfectly well, but this pair of contacts here, through which the 0 volt supply to the lid solenoids passes, does not always close. You can test this because in actual fact, if you get the contactor itself and you have a machine with a problem on it, if you just push this block just very slightly to the left or to the right, all of a sudden any problems you have on the lids will disappear. It's the internal construction of this thing basically is no good. These relays need to be designed out and replaced by the Siemens relays that are fitted on the S2 1812 and the S1 1812. The problem is that these contacts do not always engage. You can easily detect the fault because if you look at the solenoids for the lids, if they are all off, then you've got a problem with one of these contactors. The moment you jiggle it, slide this from left to right or from right to left, you'll see that at least two of those outputs will come off for the lid solenoids. So that is the reason for the problem. That is the suspect item and it needs to be designed out.